All right, so welcome you all to Consolidation. This is centered on disposal. So far, I see I've done only 2 disposal. So this sitting is the 3rd time I see will do disposal for us. I wish after this class, you go and look through those questions. I have actually solved all those 2 questions. So I have to call in for something new to solve. That is why I called in for this particular question. So I'll give you the 2 questions I see I've done on disposal. Right after this, try your hands on them and you are good to go. Okay, so first question we'll look out for is called target group. Target group. If you don't have access to the question, kindly let us know so that we can share it. Please try and restrict the sharing to, I beg, not every platform have to put it on. I beg you, for your own safety. It says prepare consolidated statement of comprehensive income for target PLC group for the year ended 30th June 2024. Yeah. Fresh from the oven, 30th June 2024. So right after reading the requirements, I want you to do something. Count the items presented in the P&L and check the number of lines. Let me check the number of lines. I have your standard marking answer booklet, some of them here. So let me count the number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So your standard answer booklet has 29 lines. So when you count the items here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, you go there. So we are safe. So go straight to your answer booklet. Let's go to the answer booklet.
Hello, Target.
Yes, please.
Please, can you share this question with me?
Wow. I shared it on the page in the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Okay. Thank you.
All right. So let's go straight to the game. Anytime target is serious, it's MCCU. And discipline, we are more than serious. It's a busy discipline. I just want to surprise some people this city. Small. So, question number 1. Question 1. You write here, target group. Target, they say PLC, so bring the PLC, add group to it. Say consolidated, Right after the requirement, this is what you have to do, please, I beg you. Consolidated statement. Is it consolidated statement of comprehensive income for the year ended 30th June, 2024. Question I will date here for say.
Okay, the way you are concerning these questions.
This is straight from the engine room. They've assured me that 3 questions I have to solve. One of them will come. And I'm very happy. Have you seen that? I send that question single. I'll send them single like that. But it will be part of your intervention material. I will share them with you. Just Friday, all your standards are ready. And this time around, we are not just giving you IAS 10 is coming, IAS 16 is coming. No. We are backing it with specific questions. I know for sure that IC will call us by all means. Me and my boss, IC will call us by all means. But for us, we have evidence to our questions. So when they call us, we have evidence. We know where we pick the questions from, so no hala. All right, the reporting currency. Please, what is the reporting currency? I have an issue with my computer at the moment. So I expect you to open the question so that even if I don't project, you will be fine. What is the reporting currency? Ghana cedis.
Yes.
In what?
Million.
Thank you. It's in millions. It's in millions. So that is what you will have to take notice of. So you go and do that too for me. And you are good to go. They have assured target. Target. Kawakuma to one of the questions you are going to solve with them. We'll do it for you. I said, yes, boss. I don't know which question they will do, but if I show me one. So Ghana cedis in million. Then leave the entire first page. Don't write anything there. Leave the entire first page. Go to the next line, next page, and still write question 1 here. Write workings. Tell the examiner all figures are in what? All figures are in Ghana cedi of millions, except otherwise stated. I'm done. Now, next show. You see, right after reading the requirement to know, you see, you spend a lot of time reading things that will not add value to the solution you want. And at the end of the day, when you had a chance to do the work, they say, get ready to stop work. Follow this approach. It has been tried and tested. All right, so once you finish, do your workings number 1. Workings 1 is the group structure. And I've shown you where you can get your group structure. You can get your group structure either from the top, note 1, or note 2. So let's go. So right from here, straight. Straight. Let me start from the top. It said the following draft financial statement relate to Target PLC, a public company. Target PLC is a manufacturing company, but also has a wide portfolio of investment properties. Target PLC has investment in a baby. Both are public limited companies. Both are public limited companies. Draft financial statement. Go straight to the note 1 and 2. Note 1. On July 2022, Target PLC acquired 60% of the equity shares of NA, a public limited liability company. That is all what I need. July 2022, Target acquired 60 of NA. So here what you do is that, you see how we solve examination questions? You read everything and time is going, you read, and you're reading Abema, we are then in the move. Yes, sir. Right here, targets. They say targets acquired. Right here, targets. Right here now, targets acquired 60% equity stock of NA. They say 60% here. Go back and read and get the other acquisition story. I don't know where you have to pass to understand the specific console question I'm solving with you. I will not solve plenty. My solvables were 3. My solving console questionables were 3. And one of them. The only thing the examiner will do is divide the figures by 2 and delete one of the footnotes. Because originally the question was 35 and other 20. So he has to reduce the notes. All right, so I'm done. So enter this note. I'll not read again. I'll go to the next one. It said Target PLC disposed of 20% of the equity interest in a Target. All what you must be interested in is this. Up to this, that's all. Here you are looking for percentages. You are not interested in figures. They retain earnings. No, please. You have to be careful. Here you have to be fast. You are not interested in retain earnings. You are not interested in no, please. You see, strategy. How you have to win the examiner. If you try to finish 2, you jump steps. If you try to put all the steps together, you won't finish. So if you don't develop a strategy to finish fast, we will never increase the mark for you. So they say Target PLC dispose of 20% of equity interest in a on 31st March 2024. So what do we have to do now? Right here, disposal. Disposal. 20%. This one took place. I can put it here. 31st March 2024. Meanwhile, when are we preparing consolidation? Which year are we doing the consolidation?
30th June 2024.
So why do you allow now? When will be the beginning of the year? This year, when will it start from?
1st
July 2023.
1st July 2023. So why do you allow now to be with you from now then you relax. As at 31st of March, you say I'm selling now. So how many months will now be with us?
3 months to end the year.
3 months to end the year. In fact, what you said, just as what you said, it's in the marking scheme. Just as you said, 3 months to the year end. Today I saw it in the marking scheme. So 2024. So how many months consolidation? 3 months to the year end. How many months consolidation for now?
9 months.
9-month consolidation. I love that. That is it. So you see why anytime you get a question, the approach we use to finish fast. This was the same approach when I left with 2 weeks to the exams. In fact, now 1 week. You are even lucky, left with 2 weeks. Abigail, that was what she had, a week to the exams. Even though she deviated, Abigail had a question of this nature. She had a disposer. Abigail had a disposer, but it was a balanced disposer. Yes. She deviated. I'll show you what she did. But it came, she has passed the exams. Now let's continue. Here you are not looking for, don't read currencies, read percentages at this stage. Because at this stage, I'm looking for the group. I want to get a group structure well so that I can go ahead and do my skeleton. Now, I'm done with now. Whatever they said again, they said the remaining 40% holding, that means now it has become an associate. So it means from the 3 months to the year end, now become associate. True or false? True or false?
True.
Good. Now let's go down. Note 3, they say target again. Acquired 80% equity interest of baby. It's okay. It's enough. On 30th of June, 2022, 30th of June, 2022. That is all what we are interested in. So 80% of baby. Like this. Do that here. Now, what will be the group holding? Total group holding. Call it group holding. Group holdings at the end of the year. 40 is to 80. NCI. This is going to be the NCI here, dash 20. But when you are done, right, third exam now, the NCI from July, from 1st July 2023 to 30th of March 2024, NCI will be what? 40%. Do you agree the NCI will be 40%? Or you don't agree?
Agree.
We agree, sir.
All right, so that is that. Please, for consolidation, if you have not confirmed the group structure, don't start. It may amount to deviation. It will amount to deviation. It will amount to deviation. The next question I'll solve to is also powerful. All your first 3 questions are available. This sitting umpire a bigger. Let's go to the B. Effective date of acquisition, workings 1B. Or effective date of control. Baby. Now is what? And baby. I'll you have the question.
Now it's 1st July 2022.
Okay, so 1st July 2020.
2022, yes. And baby is 30th June 2022.
Okay, so let me go to the place. Now it's the 1st June, right? Or 1st July
1st July
20.
22.
And then baby is
30th. They are
30th.
just playing with the date. The same 30th June 2022.
But it's the same. 30th
It's
June.
the same. Yes, it's the same. They just use beginning and the end, so it's the same.
Yes, to just confuse us. You like-
Mm,
Now, next period of consolidation. Period of consolidation.
period will be 2 years, 2 years.
Aha. What happened is that
1 year, 9 months. Oh,
now was sold during the period.
Okay.
So Nas owned, because it was for now, we want to see because now was disposed of or lost control up to 30th of June.
No.
30th of what? 31st March,
31st
right?
of March.
So up to 31st of March 2024. So hence 9 months consolidation. Then tell the examiner and 3 months what? 3
Associate.
months associate. I love that. Plenty people don't add it to it and they end up, it's in a marking scheme. Oh. I'm only copying the marking scheme for you. 3 months associates. Then what about baby?
Mm, mm.
so I'm trying to understand. I'm not seeing it well. Now, dispose slash what?
Slash loss of control.
Okay.
Loss of control.
We lost control as when 31st of March.
Yes.
So consolidation will end from there. And here, let me tell the gospel truth. If it will be balance sheet, no consolidation, true of us.
True.
And that was the question Abigail wrote. But she consolidated the subsidiary. She did a consolidation for now. Meanwhile, it was a balance sheet, so no consolidation for now. And right after the exams, she reported to the office and she solved the question. And she found out that she has deviated. And I still told her that if you pass, you pass. This one is nothing. All right, so if it is balance, you take notice. No consolidation. Baby, full year consolidation. If you write 2 years, we will not agree. Because P&L is for a year. It's only balance that you can write 2 years and we'll mark it for you. Agreed.
Okay. All right.
Balance sheet is cumulative. From the day we started up to today, that's balance sheet. That's why I say asset. But for P&L, it's for a particular period. So either 6-month period, 2-month period, or a full year or 1 year period. Then we are good to go.
Okay.
You see, when you are done like this, it gives.
So does it mean that in case there's depreciation, you won't do like the way we multiply by the number of years? You
No,
won't do
not at all.
that. Okay.
For depreciation in over here, no, we take only 1 year depreciation.
Okay.
Agree.
So target, if you are like assuming this question, there's a financial position, we will you still maintain the 1 year for both financial position and the income statement, or you do only 1 year for the income statement, and then when you get the financial position and you are doing PPE, you take 2 years?
Okay, so here the 2 years and 1 year does not reflect significantly. It only reflect when there's additional depreciation charging. However, imagine this question, there was a balance sheet attached.
Yes.
Tell us that you do a full year consolidation in a P&L, 2 years consolidation, or a full year for balance sheet. You can decide to write a full year, we'll mark you. Won't have a problem with you at all.
Okay.
Somebody can also go further and say that for financial position, 2 years consolidation.
Okay.
Will mark you.
All right.
But don't let the 2 years attach financial position. Don't let it come and be like the whole consolidation is for 2 years.
Okay. It's very clear.
Good. Now, when you establish this in the exams, you can now go and do your mapping. So now the question has become so clear. If you don't do this, you deviate. I'm sure Abigail did not do this side first. I'm sure. That is why she consolidates everything, because some people, they've told them that if you go to examination where you see console, start consolidating, right? Start with the skeleton. No. We don't advise that. We will tell you, okay, be sure of the group structure to avoid deviation. If you are okay about the group structure before you start your consolidation. So now we are consolidating baby full. Now we are taking how many months?
9.
9. That's all. So it starts line by line consolidation. Line by line consolidation. Have you seen how nice that thing? Please understand, oh. Whatever you pass to understand, kindly pass to understand. So now let's start. Right revenue, full of target 9/12 times 132 plus 90, leave it, don't close it. Line by line consolidation. I don't know, I have an issue with my PC is going slow. So help me out.
Okay.
With the figures. Know where we are picking the figures from. We beg. Number 1.
Revenue.
Revenue.
Yes. 420 plus 99.
99.
Yeah, 99.
Why 99?
There's 132 times 9 divided by 12.
What did that max you?
Why?
You want to see 9/12 times
Why?
132.
Target, why?
Who did that max? We assume that you have derived. You have stretched your neck and copy somebody's answer.
Then I am exam horn, neck, ostrich neck, can't wait me who be pass.
But for us in India, you see, the exam marking principle states that any figure that is not in a question, but I see it on your answer booklet, you have to tell me at least, if not all, about 75%, show me where you got them from.
We hear.
Plus,
plus 90.
That's it. Don't close it to leave them. Next item on the list.
Cost of sales.
Please, cost of sales, I don't think it will go here. A lot of issue will suffice it. So do workings. Or if you want to, maybe sometimes it can go there. Let's try and see if it will go there, okay?
All right.
Cost of sales, target owners
304.
304 plus
76 by 9 over 12.
76
By 9 over
let's do
12
9 over 12
by 76
plus,
plus 72.
that's all. Next,
Gross profit.
good. Then we leave it.
Investment income.
Investment income.
42.
42. Please,
Yeah.
if you are, because there's associates, before you get the profit after tax, create a column and call it profit from associates. Agreed? Please,
Before you do what?
before you go, because there's associate in the question, before you get to profit before interest and what? And tax. So on top like this, right here, share of associate profit. So when you look through the things, let me show you where you can place it. Let's go to the question. So share of associate profit. It's a workings you have to do. And the working in young way. Let me show you where you have to do it. Where is the finance cost?
After gross profit.
Mhm.
Finance cost. No. After operating.
Good. So right after operating, before the finance cost, create a column and say share of associate profit. I beg you.
Okay.
I God beg you. Anytime there's associates in P&L, create a column and show it. If you come and add it to investment income,
My classmate we are not one masters. My group study mate we are. Yeah, now guys, I say paper two. We ever so our best one now for baby I say na for yeah.
I wish this. I wish this. Okay. Please, I hope you understand.
But target, why is it that when you add it to investment income, you will be marked down?
We'll mark you down.
Why? Because it's actually an investment income.
No, you have diffused the purpose of associates. Let me re-echo this. Let me in fact make it so clear here. Why will mark you down? Number one, associate is an outsider. True or false?
True.
Number two, we don't consolidate associate. True or false?
True.
Number three, under equity accounting method, only two things we have to see on its own representing associate. On your P&L, business combination stated clearly that before your interest expense, write down profit from associate. That's a line item on its own. Don't add it to anything.
Okay.
Number two, on your financial position, among your non-current assets, call it investment in associate. Agreed?
Agreed.
On the once the son in Yama Fanka or Yama who.
Okay.
Nti ade baako pɛ na ɔno so wode bɛma no no abusua agyapade mo kyɛma ama no bi agyapade wenye bi Na ne din kaka mo ye na ase se ono so kebusua no ena mo se mo ye. Mo di ne din akwese obi din ase. No.
Okay.
So for that one, dear, if you do it, the mark you down. And this is the time. And the board.
Mm.
This is blue side. After the exams. So the mukona mother, I just a mutu TV so. Okay, so I'm done. Where are we now?
We are at investment income.
So 42 plus
42 plus 9/12 by 19
plus
plus 5.
next.
Next is admin cost. Administrative cost. That's 22
Plus
9/12 times 18. Then we have 15. Sorry, we have 18. Please correct correct the 18 to 12. It's 12.
like this.
Yes, like that.
Next.
Other expenses. We have 34. It's 9 plus 9/12 by 18. And then 15.
Come again.
15, 1-5.
Okay. Next.
Yeah. Next will be our operating profit.
Good. Operating
Profit.
profit.
Then you said we should create a place for share of profit.
Of associate what?
Profit.
Profit. Next.
Net finance cost.
Net finance
Cost.
cost.
2 plus 9/12 by 6. And then plus 9.
Next.
So does it mean that the operating profit will not even show at all?
It will
The
show.
operating profit is there.
Yes, it will show you.
It's
Okay.
there.
Okay,
Because
so
we have been failing, that's why
what happened is that you have to leave. Yes, I understand. You have to leave a line here.
So that it will be what?
So that will add. Then we get profit before interest and tax.
Oh, okay. All right.
EBIT. Or you can decide not to name it. Just that you add them.
So there's profit before tax.
Yes, please. Yeah, there's profit before tax.
Yes, they did profit before tax, but they didn't do profit before tax and interest, but there's profit before tax. After the net finance cost, there will be profit before tax.
Yes, please. So let's go. Profit before what?
Tax.
Next.
Income tax.
Wait, there's no footnote against it. Open a bracket. What do you do?
30
Uh-huh.
plus 9/12 by 7
Uh-huh.
by 3 plus 3, sorry. Plus 3.
Plus.
It is 9/12 by 7. 7 plus 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
Then we have it for the year.
Free. This one is automatically free. No footnote. No footnote. usually will come and against it. No footnote will come and against it. So what do you get for the income tax? If you put all the three figures together, straightforward.
38.25.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
38.25. 38.
Confirmed.
All right, so that is that.
Other comprehensive income.
OCI.
If written the items that will not be reclassified to profit or loss.
Yes, that's the nickname.
Okay, so we have gain on property revaluation.
So,
14
on
and
revaluation.
15.
Do you have for all the companies or only the parent?
Parents and nah.
Target.
Yes, please.
Create
After
that.
Too nice. Eh?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I'm not seeing any slot for profit after tax.
Target, he's saying that we didn't bring a line for profit after tax. That's profit for the year. So let's put it after the income tax.
Yes, it's true. It's true. It's very true. OCI should come down small.
Hello, Target.
Yes, bosses.
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I think my system was going slow. That's right. But you'll be fine.
Okay.
Hey, I don't know where you have to understand this. Thank me after the exams. After the exams. And when I'm done, I'll give you 2 questions. That one, try your hands. They are similar to what we are solving. They came. One I know that is 2019. And there's one to I know that is around 2022. Because Abigail wrote corporate reporting somewhere, either August 2022. And the paper she wrote is 1. And who I've solved that, all those questions, I've solved them. So please, do you want the video or you want the question itself or you want the solution?
You want everything.
So we want both.
Hey, wow, Oliver Twist. Always more. Yes. Okay, I'll give. Don't worry. As usual.
Thank you.
I'll pass all of them for you.
I want you to mark the paper craft for me.
Okay, if you want your paper to be marked before the exams time, I'll give out a mock question. Solve it. That the answer, the mark that you get is the same as the final answer. You should pay one. All right, so this is it. Ampai Ewaha Ebeja for this sitting. So take notice of. Don't upset yourself. And the way a question I know so if about Kwane so near test near some of about Kwamba near best of near. That is how we are doing the show. All right, so I think I have to. Let me check my distance.
Alan,
Let me check. Okay, please, I hope you can hear me now. My system is a bit troublesome. I hope you can hear me now.
I hear you loud and clear.
Good. The way I'm happy this sitting is much more than you. Because I have to grow. I need your pass for something, for some promotion. If you don't pass, they will not promote me.
Then you will promote us.
If you don't pass, I'll never. The other people, they pass. Left with only the ICA. Left with the ICA badge. Then I'll get my award. Outstanding lecture for the 2 consecutive years.
your award is what?
Yeah, so wherever I will pass for you to pass in the year, that one is between me and my boss.
Like I said, your award show you be careful.
Come again.
The way you are showing us, be careful.
Oh,
My neighbor.
push through.
What?
We've done this game, so yeah,
Let's continue.
okay, so I think we have to proceed with the game.
It's gain on property revaluation.
Gain on property revaluation.
That's 14 and 16.
14 and then 16.
So no,
my
so that's
concern-
the 9
my
months. So we
concern
pick
was not
16. So 9 over 12 by 16.
Can you come
Baby,
again?
still my concern was not rectified. Or profit after tax.
Let me.
I'm saying
We left a space for it too.
we left a space for what, please?
Okay.
There was a space here. Profit after what? After tax. So gain on revaluation, let's go. Parent owners. Parent owners
14.
14 plus 9/12 times what?
16.
That's all right.
Yes, target.
Next, is there any other thing again? Or we are done?
Yeah. No.
Is that all?
Okay. We have total comprehensive income for the year.
So total comprehensive income. Now you leave it. Next,
That's the end.
but when you are done, there's something that many of you don't do it.
Profit attributable to NCIN parents.
Yes, my thing was someone here.
Because it's so difficult to understand.
No, today I'll break it down for you to do it.
Okay.
You see, there was a time I did it at the Presby. Master Godfrey, do you remember that Presby, Dansuman Presby Church?
Exactly.
And I told you guys about the sharing. That year, we had it for 5 marks.
Yes, it was ever.
Please, this year, do you want to do it or don't want to do it?
Do it. Every mark is important.
Okay. So this year, I can assure you that you have something like that. So take notice of that. Now let me show you what to do, how the skeleton look like. We need three lines making 6. So three lines making 6 is what you need. And some of the figures, you have them already. Don't let it be a very difficult task. Don't let it be a very difficult task. See it at normal tax. Let me do it for you here. You have to share 2 things. To say profit after tax attributable to. The danger is that if you know that your profit after tax is wrong and how on share, don't bother yourself to share it. If you know your profit after tax is wrong, don't bother yourself. Attributable to, right here, NCI, owners of, normally add owners of parents. Then bring the total. That's all. Then come and write total comprehensive income attributable to owners of NCI and who? NCI and parents. We are the show. I did we are the show. I'm done. Now, the next one, you see, who to me yeah they will go, who to me Jayo, because look at something. You've actually copied enough. You have actually copied what, a lot of items. But the income tax, I don't understand something new. how you got your question, the answer you did for me. Please let's all go to the income tax.
You enter it, all the figures on your calculator. That's what you get.
Uh-huh. Let's all go there. Let me bring the question.
I didn't enter all the figure on the calculator. I did it one by one, and I still got the 38.5. So I don't know.
Now, watch something for me. This now not understand. Look, oh, the income tax here is negative, and here is also negative, and here is positive, and you added everything together.
How can tax be? How can a tax is an expense, so it should be in a bracket.
No, it was not mistake. Oh,
Deliberate.
it is a trap we have set for someone who.
But how can income tax be an income for you? Is it a deferred tax?
Income tax can be a positive answer. We have situations where current year your tax, your profit was nil, so there's no tax on profit. However, because last year you overcharged your taxes, it's a credit to you.
That's right.
So it can now negate and make your income tax expense positive for you.
Oh,
Agreed.
Agreed. But like at least, what is this? Oh,
Be hard to miss your examination. You see,
that
is why I am like exposing the issue that may pop up to you so that you be aware, fully aware before the examination starts.
Okay. Then in that case, it will be less by the 3. So it will be 32.25.
Good. Because per the marking scheme we drew this afternoon, that's not what I saw inside though. So let's go back and amend our income tax. So this one, I don't know how I'll do it.
Then it means that you need to put the 30 in the bracket, put the 30 in the bracket, put the 9, and then leave only the 3. You have a very big bracket. That one is not, that one is just grouping. So the 30 should be in a small bracket. This one should be in a small bracket. Then the answer will be 32.25.
Okay, so it should be, is it like this?
Like that.
Like
Yes. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Please, I hope everybody understand. So in exams, when you are picking the expense, we have to be very, very, very extra watching, or else we may lead you into trouble. All right.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, boss.
Please, will I be marked down in case I make the 3 a negative figure instead?
You mark correct. So long as you get 32.25 for us, you don't have a problem.
Okay.
Please, all your questions. Ukona PNL to say creating tax free. It's only me when they give me chance to set question. I'll let my income tax will be affected, especially in disposal. I'll bring tax rate inside the question, and we'll do a disposal. It will change the income tax figure. But in your case, I've not seen some in your case before. It's the future generation. Okay, so I'm done. Now with this, where do you start from first? Where do you start from? When you have done something, then you go through the footnote. You go through the footnote. You go through the footnote. With the P&L, we don't have a standard working that you have to do. P&L standard working BNE. But once control is gone, be prepared to calculate goodwill. Let's all go to the footnotes. But before that, once control is gone, here, now once control is gone, be prepared that you'll be calculating goodwill before and after the control. So hence, you will need your net assets at acquisition. Or you can put all of them together to calculate the goodwill. You can decide to put all of them together in calculation of the goodwill. Good. All right, so let's start with our workings. First workings, I think you can do that will save us is a goodwill. So let's all go to the question back again. Now let's read the note 1 and note 2 to compute our goodwill. Let's go and then do it quickly. Now, note 1 says that like that too. On 1st July 2022, Target PLC acquired equity interest of now a public limited liability company. The purchase consideration comprised of cash 90 million and a fair value of identifiable net assets acquired was 114 million at that date. Target PLC uses full goodwill method for all acquisitions, and the fair value of NCI in now was 50 million on 1st July 2022. Goodwill had been reviewed annually for impairment, and no impairment was deemed necessary. So we are done. So here, what can you do? So can you calculate the goodwill here for me as your second workings?
Yes.
Okay, so we can calculate the goodwill for now.
It is 90. You pick the 90, add 50, minus 115. That will give you 26.
Ah, and you say you will not do this question. Ah. You say you will not do it. No. So that's all. I want us to add the goodwill of the other person to it.
Okay.
Let's read note 3 to add the goodwill of baby. Target PLC acquired 80% equity interest of baby, a public limited liability company, on 30th June 2022. The purchase consideration was cash 60. Fair value of NCI was calculated as 12 million at this date. Due to tight reporting deadline, the fair value of the identifiable net asset acquisition have not been finalized. Hey, some back. by the time the financial statements for the year ended 30th June 2022 were published. Goodwill of 28 million was calculated using carrying amount of the net assets of Baby. The fair value of identifiable net assets of Baby was finalized on 31st of December 2022. Was finalized on 31st of December 2022 as 54. The excess of the fair value of the identifiable net assets was due to plant, which had a remaining useful life of what?
To 5 years.
5 years. At the acquisition date. Good. So here, what do? We calculate you see, they've given you goodwill of 28 million.
Yeah.
And they've informed you that